Show him who's boss, Freddy.
Yeah, that rod's the tuna, right?
I don't think I can pull tuna in on this thing.
Bigger reel. I'll talk to you right now.
When you want to start walking with it?
Yep, come right up almost to the leader.
Alright.
Maybe 4 or 5 feet or something like that. That's me. That's my fault. Alright, go ahead. You start sliding back now if you want. Try and pull the rod out.
Handle him, Freddy. Handle him, man. Handle him.
I can't grab the brake. Brake. Get me to that.
Woo!
There's the net, Kyle.
Yeah. There we go.
There it is.
That's a big fucker.
That's a legal fish. That's a
Man.
citation fish.
That's a citation fish?
Yeah.
That's number 1, Reggie. You number 2. Everybody's gonna get the citation fish today.
Now, what kind of mess do I have?
Everything's good. Now, Darren, you know you got to hold him so we can get some nice pictures, man.